Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to handle a refund dispute, most especially if a seller refuses to refund your money back on Idlefish Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. With that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu Chinese app. So I'm going to type here. After open up your Xianyu shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your chat box. Then go ahead and select a particular seller that refuses a refund. Let's say, for instance, I want to use this particular seller as an example. When you open up the chat between you and the seller, and then go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. So go ahead and click on that. Then go ahead and click on here. So you are here. Go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on here. Now you have detailed step right here. Okay, now what you want to do right here, if you do not understand Chinese character, just go ahead and translate this page right here. And for you to translate, I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot of this part. So having make a screenshot, I will exit from my Xianyu app right there and make use of my Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and open my Chrome browser. Then after open my Chrome browser, I will click on this camera icon. And I'll go ahead now and select the screenshot. So having select the screenshot, you have the translation right here. So what should I do if the seller refuses a refund? That's the first thing you have. First one right here. Go ahead and click on here. And you'll be automatically bring up right, and you'll be automatically redirect right here. So please select the order you want to check. So assuming I have any order that has been denied a refund, the order is going to be found right here. Just go ahead and click on the order, select on the order and follow the prompt and apply for refund intervention by Xianyu shopping app customer support, and you will definitely get your money back, provided that you make payment with your Alipay directly on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to handle refund refused by any sellers on Xianyu app. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.